Hey guys, and for today we will be talking about matrices right after this intro. Hello, my name is Christian Dave Picartoneres. I'm excited to be here to discuss matrices, an essential concept in mathematics that help us solve problems and organize data systematically. Without further ado, let's start.
Trivia. The concept of matrices dates back to ancient Chinese mathematics. The earliest recorded use of matrix-like arrangements is in the Chinese text 9 chapters on the mathematical art around 200 BCE, where systems of linear equations were solved using arrays.
What is matrices? A matrix is a rectangular array of numbers. The numbers in the array are called the entries in the matrix. So, nasa loob is entries ang tawag dyan. The size of a matrix is described in terms of the number of rows, horizontal lines, and columns, vertical lines it contains. For example, the first matrix in example 1 has 3 rows and 2 columns, so its size is by 3 by 2. In a size description, the first number always denotes the number of rows, and the second denotes the number of columns. Okay, based sa ating example, ito yung row and ito yung column. Yung row natin is horizontal and yung column naman natin is vertical. So this is 3 by 3 matrix. Tatlo dito and tatlo dito. Okay, gagawa tayo ng another example. So ano ito? 3 by 2. And lastly, ito ay 3 by 4. Kasi tatlo dito and 4 dito. We shall use capital letters to denote matrices and lowercase letters to denote numerical quantities. Thus we might write, ito yung sample sa baba. Capital letter na tayo kapag magde-denote tayo ng matrices, and lowercase pag magde-denote tayo ng numerical quantities. The entry that occurs in row I and column J of matrix A will be denoted by AIG. Thus, a general 3 by 4 matrix might be written as yung nasa baba. A matrix A with n rows and n columns is called a square matrix of order n, and the shaded entries A11, A22 are said to be on the main diagonal of A. Okay, let's proceed to classification of matrices. Column matrix have one column. And row matrix naman is one row. Next is lower triangular matrix. So ito yung diagonal. Sa itaas ng diagonal is 0 lahat, which is ito. So yan ang example ng lower triangular matrix. And next is upper triangular matrix. Kabaliktaran siya ng lower triangular matrix. So ito yung diagonal at ang baba ng diagonal is 0. And diagonal matrix, ito yung diagonal, tas sa itaas ay 0 lahat at sa baba is 0 lahat din. Pareho lang siya ng lower and upper triangular, pero may 0 siya sa ibabaw at sa baba. And next is identity matrix. Ito yung diagonal, 1 lahat. And sa itaas din is 0, and sa baba is 0 lahat. Next is scalar matrix. So ito yung diagonal, ito. Kahit anong number ilagay mo dito, basta equal silang lahat. Equal sila. Equal ang diagonal. And may 0, may 0. Next is transpose of a matrix. So, yung column natin magiging row. So 2 1 5, and dito is 2 1 5, and dito naman 3 4 6 3 4 6, 3 by 2, and magiging 2 by 3. Next is symmetric matrix. So ito is equal siya sa kanyang transpose. For example, 173 173. Next is 745 745, 356 and 356. Okay, gagawa tayo ng another example. For example is 3 1 2 and 3 1 2. Next is 1 3 8 and 1 3 8, and 2 8 7 and 2 8 7. So ito makapareho sila. Symmetric. Next is Q symmetric matrix. Makapareho lang sila ng symmetric matrix, pero may negative siya. So napapansin nyo may negative. Sa kabilang dulo may negative kahit anong number. Okay, let's proceed to another discussion. The discussion is all about matrix operations and properties. Matrix addition and subtraction. If A and B are matrices of the same size, then the sum A plus B is the matrix obtained by adding the entries of B to the corresponding entries of E. And the difference A minus B is the matrix obtained by subtracting the entries of B from the corresponding entries of A. Matrices of different sizes cannot be added or subtracted. So guys, mamaya ipapakita kong paano mag-add at mag-subtract ng matrix. And lastly is multiplying matrices. Since E is 2 by 3 matrix and B is a 3 by 4 matrix, the product AB is a 2 by 4 matrix. To determine, for example, the entry in row and column 3 of AB, we single out row 2 from A and column 3 from B. Then, as illustrated below, we multiply corresponding entries together and add up these products. So guys, this is the example of multiplying matrices, and I will show you how to subtract, addition, and multiplying matrices.
Addition and subtraction.
Multiplying matrices.
challenge? And the answer is... Congrats SA Nakasago and SA Amga Wala Bami. SA Susunod Study Lang.
Okay guys, that's all. Thank you for watching my conceptual video about matrices. I hope you learn a lot, and that's all. Thank you.